I spent my whole life chasing the American dream. And when I saw how out of touch Washington had become with the core values of this great nation, I put my name forward and ran for office.
I understand that Washington is a place we have sent people before, and they don't come back the same way we sent them. It is a place that literally changes people, and within a short period of time, they forgot why they even ran. And so tonight I ask for your prayers, for me and for my family, that we will not change, that we will always remember what carried us on those lonely days when few believed that this day would come.
Very proud. She's very, very classy. Obviously, I don't think we've heard the last of her. She's one of a kind. Too choked up to say anything else.
I'm going back again. Now, as you know, I've got the know-how and the experience and all those other things I said. And this time, of course, we have a first lady, which we didn't have last time. And I think that's going to be the real difference.
Now, this campaign was never about me, although I never saw so many horrible pictures of me on TV. Honestly, where did they find those photos? I kept saying to my little grandkids, don't watch television. Because my worry was, they'd say at first, that's not Grandma. But then they'd say, but what if it is? It was very frightening.
California voters have made the right decision. They've made a responsible decision for California. And, certainly the last thing we need in California is to be broken stoned. So, thank goodness that's not going to be the case.
But this isn't my bad after all. As our next governor, you can grab this handle and bring the people with you to Albany. Or you can leave it untouched and run the risk of having it wielded against you. Because make no mistake, you have not heard the last of Carl Palladino.
So, all right, those are the last 2 cartwheels I'm ever going to do. Thank you very much.
It's on to the next fight. It's on to the next battle. It's on to 2012.